The market for compact drones has become more competitive than ever, and DJI is expected to respond with another major evolution of its popular Neo lineup. Since the first Neo arrived, the series has earned a reputation for delivering an excellent balance of portability, intelligent flight features, and impressive camera performance at a price that appeals to beginners and casual creators. However, expectations are much higher today than they were just a few years ago. Users are no longer satisfied with minor upgrades or small specification bumps. They want meaningful improvements that enhance both image quality and the overall flying experience. That is why the rumored DJI Neo 3 and the possibility of a DJI Neo 360 have attracted so much attention. One of the biggest reasons people believe a DJI Neo 360 is likely is because it follows a pattern that DJI has established across several of its recent products. The company has gradually expanded its camera technologies into new categories, and a lightweight drone with integrated panoramic capture would fit perfectly within that strategy. Instead of treating 360-degree imaging as a niche feature, DJI could make it accessible to a much wider audience through the Neo series. Interestingly, many content creators have already demonstrated that this concept works. By mounting compact 360-degree action cameras onto the Neo 2, they have been able to create dynamic follow shots that capture every angle simultaneously. This setup allows creators to reframe footage after recording, producing cinematic perspectives that would normally require multiple cameras or complex flight maneuvers. While effective, the solution has several disadvantages. Adding an external camera increases weight, shortens flight time, changes the drone's balance, and introduces additional setup complexity. A purpose-built DJI Neo 360 would solve these issues by integrating everything into a single optimized platform. If DJI moves forward with this concept, the Neo 360 could become one of the most affordable 360-degree drones available. Rather than targeting only professional filmmakers, it would likely appeal to YouTubers, travel vloggers, outdoor adventurers, cyclists, hikers, and social media creators who want immersive aerial footage without investing in expensive professional equipment. This approach aligns perfectly with DJI's goal of making advanced aerial imaging available to a broader audience. Rumors suggest the DJI Neo 360 could feature a sophisticated dual-lens camera system capable of recording immersive 360-degree video in resolutions up to 8K at 60 frames per second. If accurate, this would place the drone among the most capable compact panoramic aircraft currently available. High-resolution still photography is also expected, with reports mentioning images approaching 120 megapixels. Such enormous resolution would allow users to crop, zoom, and recompose images while maintaining impressive detail. The imaging hardware itself may also receive a substantial improvement. Several leaks point toward the use of dual 1.1-inch CMOS sensors equipped with large 2.4 micrometer pixels. Larger sensors naturally collect more light than smaller ones, resulting in cleaner images, less digital noise, richer colors, and wider dynamic range. These advantages become especially noticeable when shooting during sunrise, sunset, cloudy weather, or other challenging lighting conditions where smaller sensors begin to struggle. DJI is also expected to include a traditional recording option for users who do not always need panoramic footage. A standard forward-facing shooting mode capable of recording 4K video at up to 60 frames per second would make the drone equally useful for conventional aerial cinematography. Creators could switch between immersive 360-degree capture and standard video recording depending on the project without carrying separate equipment. Professional video features may also receive attention. Rumored support for D-Log-M recording would provide significantly greater flexibility during color grading, while video bitrates reaching approximately 180 mbps would help preserve fine image detail during editing. Together, these improvements could make the DJI Neo 360 surprisingly capable despite its compact size and expected affordable price. The drone's flight capabilities could also see major advancements. Current speculation suggests DJI may equip the aircraft with its latest O4 Plus transmission system. Although very few pilots will ever use the system's maximum range because of aviation regulations, improved transmission technology offers several practical benefits. Stronger communication between the drone and controller results in a more reliable live video feed, reduced signal interference, and a smoother overall flying experience even in complex environments. Safety has always been one of DJI's strongest advantages, and the Neo 360 is expected to continue that tradition. Reports indicate that the aircraft may feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing capable of monitoring its surroundings from nearly every angle. Combined with enclosed propeller guards and intelligent flight assistance, the drone could become an excellent choice for beginners who want extra confidence while learning to fly. Intelligent flight modes designed for automatic tracking and simple operation would further expand its appeal to first-time users. While the rumors surrounding future models are exciting, the current Neo 2 remains an impressive drone in its own right. DJI significantly improved nearly every aspect of the original design, creating a compact aircraft that delivers outstanding value for its price. Weighing approximately 151 grams, the Neo 2 is light enough to carry almost anywhere without adding noticeable weight to a backpack or travel bag. Palm takeoffs and landings make spontaneous flights incredibly convenient, eliminating the need for large open launch areas. For now, the Neo 2 remains one of the best compact drones available, especially for beginners looking for an affordable and reliable aerial camera. However, the rumored Neo 3 appears to represent far more than a routine refresh. If the leaks prove accurate, users could see a dramatically larger sensor, longer battery life, improved stabilization, professional recording formats, better cooling, increased efficiency, and perhaps even an entirely new DJI Neo 360 variant. Taken together, those upgrades would make the next Neo generation one of DJI's most significant releases in the compact drone category and one worth watching very closely over the coming months.